There are many products available to choose towel warmers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best towel warmers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tmwings Large Spa Towel Warmer. Whether you need to warm up large towels, a pajama set, or an entire blanket, this deep bucket towel warmer can handle it. It's portable like other bucket warmers we cover, but its convenient, sturdy handle adds an extra bit of maneuverability that we appreciate. We also like its sleek, modern design. The warmer's controls are intuitive. Just pick from the 4-time settings, 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Then press start. While we like how straightforward operation is, it leaves little room for customization. There's only one temperature, so the only way to control how hot the towels get is to adjust the length of time. Number 2. Zadro Countertop Towel Warmer. This towel warmer is a truly well-rounded appliance that offers customizable heating while saving valuable square footage, all at a reasonable price. It's small enough to sit on a countertop or tucked away in a corner, but its relatively wide, shallow base offers enough capacity to warm a large bath towel or robe. We also like that the base provides extra stability to help prevent the warmer from tipping over when you're grabbing your towel or robe. For safety and ease of use, this warmer offers 4 different preset options on its timer, 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes, before automatically shutting off. It also has a stainless steel tub for even heating and preventing corrosion or rust. The only major downside we noticed was that there aren't options to manually control the heat level. 15 minutes is generally enough time to sufficiently heat up a towel, but thicker or larger items might need up to 30 minutes. Number 3. StateRiver Portable Towel Warmer and Steamer. This towel warmer is one of the smallest options on our list, measuring at just 8.3 inches high. Don't let its size fool you though, as this bucket-style warmer can hold about 12 washcloths or 4 to 6 hand towels. Although the unit isn't spacious enough for larger towels, we still think it's solid for smaller bathrooms. This model also steams towels, and it's equipped with an anti-drip tray to keep condensation at bay. We also like that the warmer comes with cotton pads and essential oil if you want that extra touch of luxury. Number 4. StateRiver Towel Warmer and Steamer. This small bucket-style warmer costs less than other options on our list and is geared more toward warming multiple small items rather than a single larger one. Due to its limited size, we recommend using it for things like washcloths and face towels. Once started, the warmer heats water from beneath and steams the towels. The towel warmer also comes with a few helpful features for safety, including an insulated handle to prevent accidental burns, tongs to remove the towels, and overheating protection. However, this unit doesn't have heat controls, and we did notice some complaints from buyers about the quality of the timer. Still, it's a good option for the price as long as you keep an eye on your things. Number 5. Colliford Wall-Mounted Towel Warmer. While most of the towel warmers we recommended lack temperature customization, this model offers complete control over this aspect. On the warmer's smart screen, you choose your desired temperature from a range between 115 to 155 degrees. Additionally, the device's timer offers segments that last as little as a few minutes to an always-on setting. The rack uses flat, wide bars instead of rounded or narrow ones, creating more heating surface area to warm your towels faster. Like our previous wall-mounted pick, this model also takes more effort to set up than a basic bucket model. If you choose to hardwire the power source instead of using the plug-in option, we'd recommend getting a professional to assist. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.